Secretary John Vic Rimulya, mas bumaba daw yung krimen sa Pilipinas. Akalain yun. At wala pang patayan nun. Yun yung sabi niya. Di ko alam if they're just talking about one barangay or one city, but I beg to disagree. Tingnan nyo to.
Sa tingin niyo wala nang chance na bumalik yung culture na na-develop nung nakaraang administrasyon, no? Na shortcuts to law enforcement. Actually, sinasabi sa amin ni former President Duterte, kaya kami ganyan dahil ang hirap-hirap ng justice system natin. I mean, merong ganong paniniwala din within the police. Naririnig ko yun Sa tingin niyo nandun pa rin yung kulturang yun?
Wala
Shortcuts?
Kita nyo crime is down,
Yes.
drugs is down, and we didn't have to kill anyone. You don't have to take shortcuts to change the country. It's actually, running the country is a very difficult enterprise. Napakahirap magpatakbo ng Pilipinas. But you have to do it the right way. If you do it wrong, then what do the children inherit? Anong mamamanahin nila na normal na lang na pumatay ka ng tao? Normal na lang na i-shortcut mo lahat? The foundation of this country should be built on the discipline to achieve a prosperous democracy. Ito yung pag-asa natin.
Isa pang criticism ngayon sa Marcos administration, bumalik daw yung drug problem natin. Although medyo mahirap siyang patunayan, pero
Mahirap
ikaw,
patunayan kasi the mere facts and statistics show that crime is down. Drugs is more expensive. Diba? It's there, pero it's not as bad as before. Tsaka, hindi ako naniniwala sa pumatay ng tao para makuha yung hustisya. No man should ever have that much power in his hands to end someone else's life.
Di ko alam if saan nag-survey itong si Secretary Rimulya regarding crimes. Kasi based sa mga news from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, I don't see any difference na tawag ito na you can say na bumaba yung krimen. I don't know kung it's just more on para pagandahin lang yung current administration, but I really beg to disagree na mas bumaba yung crime. At the same time, wala na daw masyadong droga. I don't know, but so far, based from what I'm seeing around social media, kasi right now parang mas madami kang makukuhang news sa social media compared sa tawag ito mainstream na coming from a different TV news kung sa baga. But yeah, let me know if that's true. Good. If not, hopefully sana naman hindi sila mag-share ng tawag ito wrong information, right? Kasi at this point I still I'm still not confident na maglakad or pumunta sa Manila, Visayas, Mindanao, maglakad without worrying kung may mangyari or may mga masamang loob ba dyan sa kanto kung sa baga. I still don't know. Unlike before, so medyo may especially nung kay panahon ni kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte na medyo parang I can feel security kung sa baga. Anyway, let me know what you guys think for now. Cheers, bye.